Welcome to the deep dive. We take sources you send our way and, well, we try to pull out the most interesting bits of information.
That's the plan.
Today, it's something pretty specific. We're looking at a local business based on a profile you shared.
Exactly. We've got some excerpts here about a place called H2O Head Care Plus.
H2O Head Care Plus, okay.
And our goal really is to unpack what this business is all about, what services they offer, and pull out the key things for you from this source material.
And the thing that really caught my eye right away, actually, was this specialization in Japanese-style head spa treatments. That sounds unique.
It does, yeah. Let's dig into what the source says about that.
Okay.
So what's interesting is how they describe themselves. It says wellness and beauty salon. But the core identity, based on this profile anyway, seems really tied to this specific thing, the Japanese head spa.
Right.
They're in Pleasant Hill, California. The address listed is 508 Contra Costa Boulevard, Suite L2.
Okay, Pleasant Hill. So definitely not just your average cut and color place.
Seems like it.
The source mentions services, things like scalp care, facials, massages, hair treatments, kind of a range. But it sounds like the goal behind all that is this deep relaxation, this rejuvenation, and that Japanese head spa thing feels like the key to how they achieve it.
Exactly. It frames everything else.
So what does that actually involve based on the profile? Does it give specifics?
Well, it doesn't lay it out like a, step-by-step manual, but by mentioning scalp care and massage specifically, it strongly suggests a focus on therapeutic techniques for the head and scalp, obviously.
Yeah.
Think like deep cleansing methods, maybe special massages to ease tension, boost circulation, promote scalp health, hair health, but all really designed for maximum relaxation. It's a very particular kind of wellness focus.
That makes sense, that level of specialization. Now, the profile also gives practical details, right, for anyone listening who might be curious?
Yep, got those here. Phone number is 925-822-3299.
Okay.
Email is h2oheadcareplus@gmail.com. And they have a website, h2oheadcareplus.square.site.
Square.site, got it. And hours.
Pretty wide open, actually. It says open daily, 9:30 a.m. to 8:00 p.m.
Wow, daily. That's accommodating.
Yeah. And connecting some other dots from the source.
Yeah.
It's interesting. This is a pretty new business.
Oh, really?
Looks like it was officially registered November 8th, 2023.
Just last year, then.
Uh-huh. And it says it's in good standing with the California Secretary of State. The registered agent listed is Nanan Zhu at the same business address.
So new on the scene, but sounds like they got things set up properly.
Seems that way.
And this is where it gets interesting. I think the customer feedback mentioned in the profile, what does it say there?
Yeah, this is key. The source highlights reviews, and they apparently consistently praise exceptional service and creating a really relaxing atmosphere.
Nice. General praise is good, but anything specific?
Yes, actually. It specifically notes that clients are calling out the head spa treatments themselves, crediting them with relieving stress and significantly improving scalp health. That's pretty strong validation for their main thing.
That really is. It shows that specialized focus is landing with people, providing real benefits, stress relief, better scalp health, to tangible results.
Exactly.
The profile mentions Instagram too, doesn't it? At H2O Head Care Pleasant Hill. If you wanted to sort of see their vibe or examples of their work.
Right. And importantly for actually using the service, the source says they offer online scheduling, easy booking, right through their website.
Which is pretty crucial these days for appointment-based places. Makes it simple.
Totally. Convenience matters.
Okay, so let's quickly recap the nuggets from your source then.
Yep.
We've got H2O Head Care Plus, located in Pleasant Hill, California.
Yep.
They've carved out this niche focusing on Japanese-style head spas, plus other wellness services like facials and massage.
Correct.
Relatively new business, registered late 2023, but seems to be doing well, judging by the positive customer feedback.
Especially feedback highlighting stress relief and scalp health from the head spa treatments.
Right, the core offering.
Right.
And they make it easy to connect phone, email, website with online booking and Instagram.
That covers the key points from the profile. Yeah.
So, stepping back for a second, what does this suggest?
Well, it raises an interesting thought, doesn't it? If you think about the bigger picture, what does the emergence and apparent success of a place like this, a highly specialized wellness service focusing just on head spas, what does that tell you perhaps about how consumer priorities might be shifting? How are people looking for relaxation and self-care now? Maybe seeking out these really unique, focused experiences. Something for you to consider.
That is a really interesting angle, the demand for hyper-specialized wellness. Definitely something to chew on. Thanks for digging into this source with us today.
My pleasure.
We hope this look at the H2O Headcare Plus profile gave you a clearer picture of what they're offering.